Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got an interesting little knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Glideman by Ferramonster, and this one's actually on loan to me from Mr Eddy. He actually won it in a giveaway and had it shipped directly to me. So let's go ahead and get into it. The body screws are T8, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and get those out of the way. I'm just going to check the even the clip screws, T8. That's awesome. Alright, and pivot screw, T8 of course. And looks like that should pop everything apart. There we are. Let's go ahead and get the pretty good bearings. Get the bearings out of the way. Get those in the... That's not coming loose, which is not a big deal. But so we'll just leave that be and go ahead and clean everything up. Fairly simple design, and it's interesting. Always interesting to see what each knife maker does. And this is probably the first time I've had a Ferramonster to take apart. I do have a Wixco, which is like their budget brand, but very simple design. We've got a backspacer here. Let's check that backspacer. Appears to be titanium. We're going to wipe the scales down and make sure that we get that lock face. It's kind of squeaking on close, so our disengagement of the locking bar. Alright, let me get another one out. And, well, I didn't even put this in there. But let's go ahead and get the bearings out. And those are the bearings in there. Don't reckon anybody's changed those out. So I assume that's... No, that came directly from Amazon. So... it was sent direct. Interesting. Alright, got that in place. That pretty much does it. Let me get the gunny glide open and also pop open that Loctite. Let's go ahead and put the first bearing on. Put just a little bit gunny glide on each side of the pivot, and as it is manipulated, it'll move things around. Let's go ahead and let me do this. Go ahead and get down in those cutout areas on both sides of the blade, just to make sure there's nothing in there. Checking that lock face again. Pop that one on. And put the bearings on that side. Again, just a little bit on each side. It doesn't take much. And I also want to put a little dab there on the detent ball. Slide everything in place. Easy peasy so far. Get a little bit of Loctite on that pivot screw and tighten her down. Just snug it up. I'm gonna need some more there, I'm pretty sure. But we'll go ahead and put the body screws in. Whoops. And second body screw. We will go ahead and check the other side just to make sure that nothing came loose during disassembly. Yep. Still fairly loose. Not loose now. I'm actually going to loosen it up just a hair. No blade play there. We're centered. So there you have it. Disassembly and cleaning of the Ferramonster Glideman. And I look forward to reviewing this knife pretty soon. I really like the design of it. And it's not a very expensive knife either. So there you have it. The Ferramonster Glideman. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. And hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.